you're supposed to be doing that. So don't do what I just did.
Come by, when we unite, to make the stars collide. That's one word to say your mind. Everything is better in twos. There would be no me without you. Glad to have you here with me tonight. Got some insecurities, I don't know what you're seeing me, but when we come together, I forget the girl I used to be. That you bring out the best in me.
Hey YouTube, what it is? What's up? What's poppin'? It's your girl Morgan B, back and cut again with another video, baby. You know where I'm at, you know where I be. I'm not in the studio, but you know what I do. But as you saw by the title, I have my cloudy unboxing part 2. Okay? Look at it. Look at this. Look at this beautiful box. Alright. I done had it for a couple of months now. I've been waiting and waiting. I'm like, yo, what are you waiting for? Make this video. I was looking at a lot of the comments. A lot of y'all was on some BS, but a lot of y'all made some good points. So it is now 12:29 a.m. and I'll be up all night. Like for the past couple of weeks, I've been staying up to like 3 or 4, like just because. And then when I get tired of editing because my eyeballs hurting, or I'm just fed up at this point, I'm just up. I'm on TikTok. I'm on Instagram. I'm up. And let's see what it do. Let's make it do what it do. Let's make it do what it do. Oh wait, I can use this comb. Yeah. What they tape this with? Amazon tape? Alright, so we're gonna get the first scope. That's different. I got 2. I ordered 1. I got 2. Yo, and I got the eye thing. Oh, they must have remembered me. They must have said, oh my god, we seen you before. Hold on. I'm famous. Wait a minute. Can y'all see me? Okay. So I'm glad that I got this time, because last time I did not get it. Alright, so inside of the box it says welcome to bedtime but better. Alright, so now I got everything out. It was this. And I got 2 of them. But I swear I only bought 1. Maybe I bought 1. So, hey, I ain't complaining, baby. So let me get my trusty dusty comb so we can get this open. Last time I had my trusty dusty knife, but I don't know what I did with that. So, you know, I'm excited now because I got this little head thing. This little eye mask. I did not get that last time. Packaging still looks the same. I love their brand colors. The blue and white is such a calming look. It looks like the clouds. Alright, so we're gonna read the directions again, which are right here. Is you gonna focus? Which are right here. Alright, so the directions say take 7 inhales before you're ready to go to bed. Do not drive or operate machinery when taking melatonin. This is the little box that comes in, a little cushiony, whatever. And let's get into it. Yeah, I just greased my hands because I just got a shower. It's the struggle for me. Alright. It looks pretty. It looks exactly the same from last time. And that was like 9 months ago, I think. It was a little minute ago. So let me make sure I did this right, because y'all was like, you did it too much. Take 7 inhales. So here we go. Hold on. Something not adding up, because when I read it, it said don't inhale it completely. And then another thing, then the box said inhale it. So let me go to the website. They got these gummies called Calmies. for $20. They was $30, but they on sale. And if you use my link in my description, you get 10% off. Okay, well look, I tried to find the directions. It's not really working out for me, so we just gonna try. The box say 7. That's what it say. Let's get it, man. Let's go. So this number 1. It's still coming through one nostril. Yo. All right, so I got allergies in my nose and stuff that I really cannot breathe. Yo, why is it only? Hold on, let's try this again. Yo, let me try blowing my nose real quick because that is killing me. All right, we're gonna try that again. Yo, it's still coming out of one nostril. Okay, is it just me? Am I the only person that this only happening to me? Like, what was that? Was that 2 or 3? This is 3, so this is gonna be 4. It's vapor, so it doesn't make you cough or anything, so that's pretty cool. What number was that? 5. All right, 2 more. Yo, this is hilarious. It's still, yo, that's 6. 1 more. And let's see if it will come out of both nostrils. I cannot breathe out this nostril. I think it's the same nostril too, bro. Come on, we can't, don't fail me now. Another thing that I noticed is it's giving off more, the more that I pull it, it's giving off more of like a flavor than last time. So last time I said it was like a grape kind of taste, but it's not grape. It doesn't really taste like, you know, like medicine grape. Or maybe it'd be nasty. Like, it's not that. It tastes like candy grape. Laffy Taffy kind. You know what I'm saying? Like, not the nasty kind. And off rip, I feel a little bit calmer. You know, because I was hyped. Nephew! I don't think you're supposed to be doing that. So don't do what I just did. Don't do that, because, yeah. You saw how it ended up for me. Another thing, somebody asked me, what does it make the room smell like? I don't know if I'm in here. Let me walk out and come back and see if I smell it. Hold on. I don't really smell it. It's like a hint of something sweet as you can smell, but it's not like a heavy smell of anything else. Yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna go bother my mom. Matter of fact, I'm gonna do this again and see me smoking. See if you think I'm smoking. I'm not cutting 4K. Why are you asleep?
Cause I'm tired.
I was trying to show you my cloudy.
I'm glad. No chance to meet, bro.
Hey, tell them, click the link in my description. and use the discount code and get 10% off.
Oh yeah, cause I got a whole box of shit for 10% off.
What did he say?
Cloudy.
Yep, you heard it here first, folks. So get your 10% off. Link in the description. All right, well, I'm gonna head out, Mom.
Okay, link in my bio.
No, link in my bio. My bio. I love you here. Stay safe out here. In the arms of an angel. Fly away. Alright guys, so I think it's been 10 minutes that's passed by. I feel a little bit drowsy. This is definitely kicking more than it was last time. Last time it was pretty early on in the day. Yeah, it was still light outside. But I'm kind of tired. You know, that's kind of hard for me to admit because I'm the night owl now. I'll be up to like 4. Yeah. So I'm gonna go to sleep, or I'm gonna attempt to go to sleep. But sometimes once I lay back down again, I can't go to sleep. I probably should have stayed in the bed and recorded from the bed, but you know, you gotta get that good light. You gotta get that. You know. So I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow, and I'll give you my review. All right, so I just gotta brush my teeth, but I slept. I actually slept this time. So after I turned the camera off, I got in the bed. I got on TikTok for a little bit, started texting for a little bit, and then I was like, yo, I'm tired. I actually went to sleep this time. So the last time I even did it after I took the video, like I'd be in the bed just at night and be like, all right, and I wasn't going to sleep. Like it just wasn't working. So maybe that was the luck of the draw, but this time it actually does work, and I will give it a rating of a 10, man. So number 1, I got my little eye cover thing because that did not come the last time. Number 2, I got a second one and I only paid for 1. Number 3, it actually worked this time and I went to sleep. And number 4, the packaging, the box, and everything is cute. I like it. So try it out. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. That's the end of this video. If you want to like. If you want to subscribe. And when you do subscribe, don't forget to hit that bell. And when you hit that bell, you automatically a part of the M Squad, baby. And when you're a part of the M Squad, you're a part of the team. And if you want to get you a cloudy or any cloudy product, you can get 10% off by using my code MorganB10, or you can just click the link and you instantly get 10% off your whole order. Alright, so yeah, bye.
Hang up or press 1 for more options.
Mr. Telephone Man. I tried calling you like 5 times, but it keep going to voicemail. So just call me back when you get this, I guess. What it do, baby? I done called you like 15 times, but listen, I know. Okay, you know what? Maybe I'm tripping. Yep, I'm tripping. Girl, why you not answering the phone? You better not be over there cheating, boy. I swear, cause I'll air that whole out. Call me back. Disregard my last voicemail. I was tweaking, but listen, just call me back.